February 16th, and this is your daily brief in science. Here's everything you need to know. Kenya has embarked on its largest rhino relocation effort, moving 21 eastern black rhinos to the Loisaba Conservancy. This significant move aims to provide these rhinos with more space to breed and to repopulate an area that hasn't seen rhinos in nearly half a century. The relocation covered distances up to 300 kilometers and involved a meticulous process of aerial tracking, tranquilization, and transportation to ensure the safety and well-being of these endangered animals. The initiative seeks to address the issue of overcrowding in parks, enhance breeding rates, and is a step towards Kenya's ambitious goal of increasing its black rhino population to 2,000 by the year 2033. This effort comes after a tragic setback in 2018, where 11 rhinos died during a relocation attempt. In response, new stringent guidelines and health assessments have been adopted to prevent similar incidents in the future. Moreover, Kenya's conservation efforts also extend to the critically endangered northern white rhinos, with only 2 remaining individuals. Researchers are actively working on potential methods to save this subspecies from the brink of extinction. Through these concerted efforts, Kenya demonstrates its commitment to preserving its rich wildlife heritage and reversing the fortunes of these majestic creatures. A recent study has shed light on the competitive edge gray squirrels have over red squirrels in the UK and Ireland, attributing it to the diversity of their gut bacteria. Published in the Journal of Medical Microbiology, the research highlights how the gut microbiome of gray squirrels enables them to digest calcium from tree bark. This not only explains their damaging bark-stripping behavior, but also gives them a significant survival advantage. The study suggests that the varied gut microbiome boosts gray squirrels' health, immunity, and dietary range, allowing them access to more resources than their red counterparts. These insights are pivotal for understanding the displacement of red squirrels by gray ones, a phenomenon observed since the latter were introduced in the 19th century from North America. The findings could lead to new strategies aimed at preserving red squirrel populations, either by enhancing their gut health or by devising methods to protect trees from squirrel-induced damage. However, the researchers emphasize the need for further studies to fully grasp the dynamics between the 2 squirrel species and their gut microbiota. This research not only highlights the complex interplay between diet, health, and ecosystem competition, but also opens avenues for conservation efforts tailored to the unique gut microbiomes of different species. A recent study from Tulane University, funded by the U.S. Department of the Treasury, sheds light on the grim future of coastal wetlands over the next 50 years due to climate change. This research took advantage of an unexpected surge in sea level rise along the Gulf Coast, providing a unique vantage point to study the accelerated effects of coastal flooding. By employing advanced satellite data techniques to measure sea level rise, the study uncovered that nearly 90% of wetland sites are failing to keep pace with the rising water levels. The projections are alarming, indicating that by 2070, about 75% of these wetland sites may face a deficit, leading to an increased rate of wetland loss. The researchers behind this study are calling for immediate action to reduce carbon emissions in line with the Paris Agreement's targets. They believe that such measures could steer us towards a more sustainable climate trajectory and mitigate the rapid loss of these vital ecosystems. The findings of this pivotal study were published in the journal Nature Communications, highlighting the urgent need for global climate action to preserve coastal wetlands. In a remarkable discovery down under, a 23-year-old male platypus has been found in a creek in Australia, setting a new record for the oldest known wild platypus. This find is not just a record breaker, it's a beacon of hope for the conservation of a species currently facing the threat of dwindling numbers, with an estimated 300,000 platypuses left in the wild across eastern Australia and Tasmania. The study of this particular platypus has unveiled crucial insights into the potential for a longer lifespan among these elusive creatures. Factors such as low population density, which reduces competition and stress, appear to play a significant role in their longevity. This information is invaluable for conservation efforts, highlighting the critical need to maintain clean waterways and ensure the responsible disposal of waste to protect platypus habitats. However, the task of studying these unique animals comes with its challenges. The male platypus's venom, capable of inflicting severe pain on humans, adds a layer of complexity to research efforts. Despite these hurdles, the discovery of this 23-year-old platypus offers a glimmer of hope and a new direction for the conservation of this mysterious and threatened species. South Korean researchers at Yonsei University have made a groundbreaking advancement in the field of sustainable food sources with the creation of microbeef. This hybrid food combines beef muscle and fat cells grown inside grains of rice. The team's goal with microbeef is to offer an affordable and environmentally friendly protein option, particularly beneficial for underprivileged areas, conflict zones, and even space missions. Early evaluations of microbeef are promising, suggesting it not only meets nutritional needs, but also presents a unique taste profile reminiscent of beef with a hint of almond. A key innovation of this project is the development of self-replicating cell lines that could eliminate the need for traditional livestock farming, aiming for a method of production that's both continuous and efficient. This approach is part of a larger movement towards finding sustainable and efficient protein sources, addressing urgent global challenges such as food scarcity and the environmental impact of animal agriculture. However, despite the potential benefits, the success of microbeef and similar lab-developed foods hinges on consumer acceptance. Overcoming skepticism and building trust in these new food technologies remains a significant challenge for researchers and producers alike. This has been your daily brief in science. To read more about these stories, follow the links in the episode bio. You can also subscribe to these updates via email at www.brief.news. For more daily podcasts about the topics you love, visit brief.news/podcasts. We'll be back Monday with everything you need to know.